Hello students, today we have to see next lecture for multiple regression. The topic is fitting of plane of regression of x3 on x1 and x2. We are going to see how to estimate the value of x3 when x1 and x2 values are given. See the example. In a trivariate distribution, x1 bar is equal to 48.7, x2 bar is equal to 59.8, x3 bar is equal to 78. Sigma 1 is equal to 3.2, sigma 2 is equal to 5.4, sigma 3 is equal to 7.6. Total correlation coefficients are given. R12 is 0.4, R13 is 0.6 and R23 is 0.5. First part of the problem. Find the equation of plane of regression of x3 on x1 and x2. Second part of the problem. Hence, find the value of x3 when x1 is equal to 30 and x2 is equal to 47. The equation of plane of regression of x3 on x1 and x2 is given by x1 minus x1 bar r31 upon sigma 1 plus x2 minus x2 bar r32 upon sigma 2 plus x3 minus x3 bar r33 upon sigma 3 is equal to 0. Where matrix R is given by 1 r12 r13 r21 1 r23 r31 r32 and 1. We'll replace the values which are given in the problem statement. R12 is given as 0.4, R13 is given as 0.6, R23 is given as 0.5. We know that R12 is same as R21, R13 is same as R31, R23 is same as R32. So the matrix R can be written as 1, 0.4, 0.6, 0.4, 1, 0.5, 0.6, 0.5 and 1. Now we have to find capital R31, which is nothing but minus 1 raised to 3 plus 1. Hide third row and first column. So third row and first column we will detect. The remaining values are 0.4, 1, 0.6 and 0.5. Now we will solve it further as minus 1 raised to 4, 0.4 into 0.5 minus 1 into 0.6. So minus 1 raised to 4, it becomes plus 1. 0.4 into 0.5 becomes 0.2 minus 0.6. So the final answer is minus 0.4. So value of R31 we are getting the value as minus 0.4. Now R32 is equal to minus 1 raised to 3 plus 2. Hide third row and second column. So the values which are there are 1, 0.4, 0.6 and 0.5. So it can be calculated as minus 1 raised to 5, 1 into 0.5 minus 0.4 into 0.6. So minus 1 raised to 5 is equal to minus 1. 1 into 0.5 becomes 0.5 minus 0.4 into 0.6. The answer is 0.24. So the final answer of R32 is nothing but minus 0.26. Then R33 is equal to minus 1 raised to 3 plus 3. Hide third row and third column. 1, 0.4, 0.4 and 1. So minus 1 raised to 6, 1 into 1 minus 0.4 into 0.4. So the answer is 1 minus 0.16, which is nothing but 0.84. So the equation of plane of regression of x3 on x1 and x2 is given by x1 minus x1 bar r31 upon sigma 1 plus x2 minus x2 bar r32 upon sigma 2 plus x3 minus x3 bar r33 upon sigma 3 is equal to 0. We replace all the values in the above equation and simplify the equation further. So x1 minus 48.7 into minus 0.4 upon 3.2 plus x2 minus 59.8 into minus 0.26 upon 5.4 plus x3 minus 78 into 0.84 upon 7.6 is equal to 0. Now first of all we will find the constants and we'll open the brackets. So 0.4 upon 3.2, the constant value becomes 0.125. 0.26 upon 5.4, the constant value is minus 0.048148148, and 0.84 divided by 7.6, the constant value becomes 0.1105263,158. So first of all find out these three values, then open the brackets. So minus 0.125 into x1 becomes minus 0.125 x1. Minus into minus becomes plus. 48.7 into 0.125, the value becomes 6.0875, plus 0.48148 x2. Minus into minus becomes plus. 49.8 into this value, the product is plus 2.8792592504, plus the third bracket if we open 0.1105263 x3, minus 78 into this number becomes minus 8.6210526324 is equal to 0. Now take all the constant terms together. 6.0875, then 2.8792 and minus 8.62. These three values if we take together, the final answer is 0.345706618. So the equation can be written as minus 0.125 x1 minus 0.04848148148 x2 plus 0.1105263 x3 plus 0.345706618 is equal to 0. But this is not the equation in terms of x3. So to get the equation in terms of x3, we will keep the term 0.1105263 x3 on left hand side and take the remaining terms on right hand side. So the equation becomes 0.11052 x3 is equal to 0.125 x1 plus 0.4814814 x2 minus 0.3457066618. Still it is not in terms of x1. So to get the equation in terms of x3, we divide all the right hand terms with this constant value. So x3 is equal to 0.125 divided by 0.1105263 x1 plus 0.048148148 divided by 0.1105263 x2 minus 0.3457066678 divided by 0.1105263. So if we divide the terms, the equation becomes 1.1309525 x1 plus 0.435626 1632 x2 minus 3.1278 So this is the equation, and we want to estimate the value of x3 when x1 is equal to 30 and x2 is equal to 47. So in the above equation, we replace the value of x1 as 30 and x2 as 47. The equation becomes x3 cap is equal to 1.1309525 into 30 plus 0.4856261632 into 47 minus 3.1278 22287. So if we add the numbers according to the signs, x3 cap value becomes 51.27518. See the next example. x1, x2 and x3 are the heights of son, mother and father respectively. x1 bar is equal to 168, x2 bar is equal to 162, x3 bar is equal to 167. Sigma 1 is equal to 2, sigma 2 is equal to 2.5, sigma 3 is equal to 2.5. R12 is equal to 0.7, R13 is equal to 0.6 and R23 is equal to 0.5. Obtain least square regression of x1 on x2 and x3. Estimate x1, second part, estimate x1 when x2 is equal to 164 and x3 is equal to 170. See the solution. The equation of plane of regression of x1, regression of x1 on x2 and x3 is given by x1 minus x1 bar r11 upon sigma 1 plus x2 minus x2 bar r12 upon sigma 2 plus x3 minus x3 bar r13 upon sigma 3 is equal to 0, where the matrix R is given as 1 r12 r13 r21 1 r23 r31 r32 and 1. We know that r12 is same as r21, r13 is same as r31 and r23 is same as r32. So the matrix R can be written as 1 0.7 0.6 0.7 1 0.5 0.6 0.5 and 1. Now we have to calculate capital R11, capital R12 and capital R13. Capital R11 is equal to minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1. Hide first row and first column. First row and first column. If we hide, then we are getting 1, 0.5, 0.5 and 1. So R11 is equal to minus 1 raised to 2, 1 into 1 minus 0.5 into 0.5. So the answer becomes 1 minus 0.25, so 0.75. So capital R11 is equal to 0.75. Now to find capital R12, we will write minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2. Now hide first row and second column. So 0.7, 0.6, 0.5 and 1, the values which are remaining. So minus 1 raised to 3, 0.7 into 1 minus 0.5 into 0.6. So minus 1 raised to 3 becomes minus 1. 1 into 0.7 becomes 0.7 and 0.5 into 0.6 becomes 0.3. So R12 is nothing but minus 0.4. Then R13 is equal to minus 1 raised to 1 plus 3. Hide first row and third column. So 0.7, 0.6, 1 and 0.5. These are the values which will be there in the determinant. We will solve this determinant as minus 1 raised to 4, 0.7 into 0.5 minus 1 into 0.6. So minus 1 raised to 4, the value becomes plus 1. 0.7 into 0.5, the value is 0.35 minus 1 into 0.6, so minus 0.6. So R13 is equal to minus 0.25. So we will write the equation as the equation of plane of regression of x1 on x2 and x3 is given by x1 minus x1 bar r11 upon sigma 1 plus x2 minus x2 bar r12 upon sigma 2 plus x3 minus x3 bar r13 upon sigma 3 is equal to 0. Replace all the values which are given in the problem statement. x1 minus 168 into 0.75 divided by 2 plus x2 minus 162 minus 0.4 upon 2.5 plus x3 minus 167 into minus 0.25 divided by 2.5 is equal to 0. Now to solve it further, first of all we'll find the constant term. So 0.75 divided by 2, the value is 0.375. Minus 0.4 divided by 2.5, the answer is minus 0.16. And 0.25 divided by 2.5 becomes minus 0.1. So we'll find this constant first and then we will open the brackets. So 0.375 x1 minus 63. Multiply these two values, the value which we are getting is minus 63. Minus 0.16x2, minus into minus becomes plus 162 into 0.16. The final answer is 25.92. Minus 0.1 into x3 plus 16.7 is equal to 0. Still the equation is not in terms of x1. So 0.375x1 minus 0.16x2 minus 0.1x3 is equal to, take all the constant terms together, the total is minus 20.38, which is equal to 0. This is the equation. To convert the equation in terms of x1, we'll keep the term 0.375x1 on left hand side and take all the terms on right hand side. So the terms which are negative on left hand side, it becomes positive on right hand side. So 0.375x1 is equal to 0.16x2 plus 0.1x3 plus 20.38. Now divide by 0.375. So x1 is equal to 0.16 upon 0.375x2 plus 0.1 upon 0.375x3 plus 20.38 divided by 0.375. So if you perform these divisions, the values are 0.426667x2 plus 0.266667x3 plus 54.346667. So this is the equation of x1 on x2 and x3. In the second part of the problem, we have to estimate x1 when x2 is equal to 164 and x3 is equal to 170. So x1 cap is equal to, replace the values in the given above equation. x2 as 164 and x3 as 170. 0.426667 into 164 plus 0.266667 into 170 plus 54.346667. So first of all, find the products and then add all the three values. x1 cap becomes 169.65. Alternative method. The equation of plane of regression of x3 on x1 and x2 is given by x3 is equal to b31.2x2 plus b32.1x3. So b31.2 is nothing but minus sigma 3 upon sigma 1, capital R31 upon capital R33. b32.1 is equal to sigma 3 upon sigma 1, capital R32 divided by capital R33. So we can solve it further as the equation of plane of regression of x3 on x1 and x2 can be given by x3 minus x3 bar sigma 3 upon sigma 1 r31 minus r12 into r23 divided by 1 minus r square 12 into bracket x1 minus x1 bar plus sigma 3 upon sigma 2 r32 minus r12 into r13 divided by 1 minus r square 12 x2 minus x2 bar.